Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add page border in Google Docs. First of all, go ahead and open your Google Docs as you can see right here. Once you open one that you want to work with, as you can see, what you need to do next is pretty simple. So from now, all you need to do is to go to Insert, then go to Drawing, and then click on New. Here you will find this pop-up. What you will need to do is to draw a shape, so let's draw here a rectangle or a square. As you can see, this is our square. What I will need to do is to go and make the color as transparent and make the border color as black, and basically from here you can make it as thick as possible. Now once we have done that, I'm gonna click on save and close it. This is our border. Now there is other things that we need to do, which are the type. I'm going to make it in front of text, and now I'm going to make it here. I'm gonna move it around to the border of the page, and as you can see here, it will be filling the page as we want. And this is how you can make your border in the Google Docs. It's very easy and simple, guys. I hope you like this video, and see you in the next tutorial.